Friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we enable color correction mode in a Tecno phone and how can we use it. Today guys, I will show you guys color correction setting guys how can we enable in a Tecno mobile. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So when first of all we will on our phone setting to enable color correction mode setting and then scroll it. After on phone setting guys, you will have to scroll. So we will scroll and click on your phone special function. Guys, you can see your Tecno phone special function setting guys. Tap here and guys scroll friends. You can see last guys your accessibility setting. So just click on your phone accessibility setting guys. Again scroll friends. You can see your color correction setting guys. Tap here friends. You can see color correction mode setting guys. You can enable from this right side and guys you want to change this color. You can change also guys. So you click on this red green color and just come back. So friends, you can see your skin color will change. You can see skin color is different, icon color is different. So like that guys, you can enable your color correction setting friends and you can use it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.